guys, welcome to CryptoMalu community. Today I'm going to discuss on the entire IoTS ecosystem, how to use IOPay wallet and the upcoming airdrops in IoTS ecosystem. Anyone who is holding greater than 1000 IoTX in a IOPay wallet and staking it for more than 31 days will be eligible for the new token airdropping program by IoTX network. You can check it your eligibility and register in the baindrop.iotx.io page. Just first connect the wallet and click on the register button. Then when new projects launch, you will be receiving daily points which can be converted as the airdrop amount equivalent to tokens. The second biggest airdrop coming is the ZoomSwap airdrop. Just enter through the airdrop through the bot. You need to set the wallet. I will be providing the link for downloading the IOPay wallet from Play Store. You can see the description. You can see the interface of IOPay wallet. You can see that Cyclone protocol token. It was similarly airdropped like this airdrop of this ZoomSwap. Now I just copy the address and set the wallet inside the bot. Now we can go to the airdrop task. We need to fill a Google form. After completing the task, we can see that form at last. Now we can start completing our one by one task. Just join the announcement channel, take a screenshot of it. Just join the Telegram chat of ZoomSwap. Please complete the CAPTCHA. Again take a screenshot of the joining. Come back to the bot. Now you need to follow the Twitter accounts of ZoomSwap. Just take a screenshot of it. Come back to the airdrop bot. You need to follow Mimo protocol. It is one of the biggest exchange in IoTX network. And finally, you should follow IoTX network Twitter account. Now you need to retweet the tweet provided by them by tagging 3 friends. Just hit a like, just simply retweet, then click on the quote retweet button, tag 3 friends, just give some comment if you wish. Just post the tweet. Now just go to the posted tweet, take a screenshot of it. Now come back to the airdrop bot. After finishing all the tasks, we can enter the Google form provided there. The first thing which is asked is IOPay wallet address. You can get it from the IOPay wallet and paste it here. Now you need to enter your Twitter username. Now you need to enter your screenshots. In the first page, you need to upload the Twitter follow. The second option, you should upload like retweet task, and the third one, you should upload the Telegram group and channel joining screenshots. Just check the form again, hit the submit button. You have been entered to the ZoomZap airdrop. Now I will show how to withdraw IOTX from Binance to IOPay wallet. Just copy the IOPay wallet address. Select the network as IOTX. Hit confirm and click the withdrawal by receiving the OTP. You can also hit the referral button and refer more friends in order to receive more points for the ZoomSwap airdrop. Now we can go to the DApps sections of IOPay wallet. Before that, just you can see that the Cyclone Protocol airdrop I received, which was worth $300 when received, but now it had been already dumped to $40. Anyway, we can see the DApp section of the IOPay wallet. In that you can find Memo Exchange. Memo Exchange is the biggest exchange in IOTS ecosystem. So you can swap different tokens each other. If you are using this exchange, you will get eligibility for many future airdrops. That is the advantage of this. Better if you provide liquidity, it would be better if you are having enough money. I was already providing liquidity, but I just removed it few days before. Just I will show how to swap. Just place a token opposite and swap similar to PancakeSwap. You can see within seconds the transaction get confirmed without much loss. Now I am swapping back the Vite token which I have swapped back to IOTX. On the confirm swap, the transaction is very fast with a very low fee. Now you can add the liquidity if you wish. Just we can go to the wallet. There is a stake option, which is a very important section where you can stake your tokens in order to receive the airdrops. I have already taken 400 IOTX. Now I am going to increase it above 1000. So we can edit the staking amount. Hit on the edit button. Restake. I am increasing the staking duration to 360 days. Minimum 91 days is required for eligibility of burn drop. So I am increasing it to 360. Broadcasting the transaction. You can see it gets signed. And I have taken 1200 IOTX for 360 days lock period. For more videos, please keep subscribing our channel And don't forget to subscribe our Telegram channel for more airdrops.